You might feel a bit uncomfortable with what I'm about to say. This is a sensitive topic, but that's okay, because sometimes the greatest truths push us outside our comfort zones. Today, we're diving deep into the true nature of who you are. You are not just a human being. In fact, you're far more than that. You are a God particle, having a human experience. Your body, this physical form, is just a temporary vessel. The real you. You're an eternal soul, a part of something far greater, a fragment of universal consciousness. This might sound abstract or hard to grasp, but I urge you to listen closely and stay with me until the end. You're about to discover something that could shift how you see yourself and the world around you forever. When we talk about being a god, we are not referring to an all-powerful entity ruling over creation. It's something much more profound and mystical. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself through your unique perspective. Imagine the entire universe as an infinite ocean of consciousness. You, as an individual, are like a wave in that ocean. It seems like you're separate, with your own form and movement, but in reality, you're made of the same substance as the ocean itself. Your individuality is real, but it's not the whole truth. You are both the wave and the entire ocean at the same time. This is what it means to be a god. You are a localized expression of universal consciousness. You're not just connected to it, you are it, experiencing life from a particular vantage point. Your physical body is just a temporary vessel, a tool designed to help you navigate this world. It's not the real you. The real you is the soul, the eternal essence that inhabits the body for a brief period of time. Think about it. You don't say, I am body, you say my body. You don't say, I am hand, you say my hand. This subtle distinction shows that deep down, you know the body is just something you possess, not something you are. Your body is like a costume in the grand cosmic play, one that you wear to experience life in this physical world. But the true you, the soul, is immortal and exists far beyond this temporary form. When you begin to realize this, you'll understand that life is not about being confined to the body, but about using it to grow and evolve as a spirit. Modern science is starting to catch up with what mystics have known for millennia. Consciousness shapes reality. Quantum physics, in particular, has uncovered truths that echo ancient spiritual teachings. Take the double-slit experiment, for example. It shows that particles behave differently when they are observed, suggesting that consciousness itself plays a role in shaping the physical world around us. This aligns with the mystical understanding that our awareness affects reality. Then there's quantum entanglement, the discovery that particles, even when separated by vast distances, remain connected. This mirrors the spiritual concept of universal interconnectedness, the idea that all things are one at the deepest level of existence. And consider the zero-point field, a sea of energy that permeates what we think of as empty space. This field is strikingly similar to the mystical idea of an all-pervading cosmic energy or universal consciousness. These scientific discoveries reveal that the universe is far more connected, far more alive than we ever imagined. It's proof that the boundaries we perceive are illusions, and everything is truly one. The first step to awakening your divine nature is to question the identity you've been taught to accept. You've been conditioned to believe that you are just a physical body and a mind, separate from everything else. But is that really true? Start by observing your thoughts and emotions. Notice how they come and go, but something within you remains constant. That unchanging presence is your awareness, the real you. You are not your thoughts or your emotions, you are the observer, the awareness behind it all. Here's a simple meditation to help you connect with this truth. Close your eyes and focus on the space between your thoughts. As each thought arises, do not engage with it, just notice the gaps between them. That space, that pure awareness free from thought, is a glimpse of your true nature as universal consciousness. Take a moment to practice this now, and if you start to feel connected to something deeper within yourself, Comment below. Let's explore this journey of awakening together. To transcend life's challenges, you must first learn to step back from the ego. The ego is the part of you that believes you are separate, limited, and defined by external circumstances. But when you align with universal consciousness, the true essence of who you are, you begin to see beyond these limitations. The key is to shift your perspective. Instead of reacting from the small self, the ego, try to view your challenges from the vastness of universal awareness. Ask yourself, how would the universe respond to this situation? You will find that solutions arise more effortlessly when you're not confined to the narrow lens of the ego. Here's a simple exercise. Close your eyes and expand your awareness. Start with your body. Feel it fully. Then expand your awareness to the room you're in, then the building, then the entire city. Keep expanding until you can feel your awareness encompass the planet, the solar system, and beyond. Feel yourself as vast as the universe itself. When you practice this regularly, you will start to experience your true magnitude, far beyond the ego, and you'll realize that the challenges of life are small in comparison to the limitless nature of your being. Your thoughts and beliefs have immense power. They are the building blocks of your reality. Whether you realize it or not, what you think, believe, and expect is constantly shaping the world around you. So ask yourself, are your thoughts aligned with your true, unlimited nature, or are they based on old, limiting beliefs? To consciously co-create your reality, you must shift your mindset from lack to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you think you're missing, visualize what you desire as if it's already a part of your experience. This isn't about wanting something you don't have. It's about allowing your divine essence to express itself through new experiences. But remember, this practice isn't about inflating your ego or creating from a place of self-centeredness. It's about aligning with your true nature as a divine being. When you do this, you'll find that your desires naturally reflect more wisdom, compassion, and love, because they arise from the awareness that you are connected to everything, not separate from it. Your soul is not a simple, singular entity. It is multidimensional, with different aspects of it functioning across various realms of existence, both physical and spiritual. While you may be most aware of your soul's presence in this physical body, there are parts of you operating beyond your current awareness. I've experienced this firsthand through deep meditation and out-of-body experiences. In these states, I felt the freedom of the soul, unbound by the physical form, able to travel between dimensions, experiencing realms far beyond the limits of the human mind. These aren't just metaphors, they are real, lived experiences that reveal the vast capabilities of the soul. This also connects to the idea of reincarnation. Your soul doesn't begin and end with one life. It chooses new bodies and experiences in each incarnation, continuing its journey of growth and evolution. But reincarnation isn't about your personality being reborn. It's about your soul taking on new roles and challenges, constantly learning and evolving as it moves toward its highest potential. Your journey as a soul is eternal. Life after life, experience after experience, your soul is always moving forward, evolving and expanding, guided by a greater cosmic plan. As we journey deeper into understanding the soul's true nature, let's uncover the wisdom from the spiritual alchemy sacred texts. These ancient texts speak of the soul's ultimate destiny, a path leading toward unity with the divine source. According to the teachings, the soul is not bound to a single life or form, but is part of a grand, cosmic evolution. Just as the universe expands and evolves, so does the soul. Each soul, including yours, plays a unique and crucial role in this cosmic dance. Your individual consciousness is a fragment of the divine, moving through lifetimes, experiences, and dimensions, steadily progressing toward a state of full union with the source. This is the culmination of the soul's journey, the moment when all separateness dissolves, and you realize that you are not just connected to the divine but are, in fact, one with it. Think of it like a drop of water merging back into the ocean, distinct, yet always part of the whole. This ultimate destiny is the return to the oneness from which we all originated. The more you awaken to this truth, the more you align your consciousness with the infinite potential of the universe. Cosmic evolution isn't just happening around you, it's happening through you. Every thought, every action, every moment of awareness contributes to this vast unfolding process. Understanding this gives deeper meaning to your human experience. You're not just a passenger in life, you're an active participant in the creation of your reality and the collective destiny of all souls. This is the wisdom of the ages. Your soul is eternal, and its ultimate destiny is to reunite with the divine, to remember its true nature as part of the infinite. The Emerald Tablets remind us that this journey is not just about personal enlightenment, it's about cosmic evolution, where each of us has a vital role to play. As we wrap up, remember this: you are not just a human being, you are a divine being, a spark of the infinite, experiencing life through this temporary form. Every thought, every intention you hold shapes your reality, because you are a co-creator in this vast interconnected universe. You have the power to awaken to your true nature and align with the limitless potential of the divine source. Let this knowledge guide you as you move forward on your spiritual journey. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content to help you deepen your spiritual growth. Let's keep exploring this journey together.